Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Canon G3010 printer to your laptop. First, make sure your printer is turned on. Check the green on lamp on the printer. It should stay solid green. Also make sure your Wi-Fi router is working properly and your laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now we will put the printer into wireless pairing mode. Locate the direct or wireless button on the printer. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. You will notice the Wi-Fi icon starting to flash. This means the printer is now ready for setup. Next, press the color button one time. After that, press the Wi-Fi or direct button again until the Wi-Fi lamp starts flashing rapidly. This shows the printer is searching for a wireless network connection. Now go to your Wi-Fi router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the router. The printer and router will now try to connect automatically. While the connection is happening, the Wi-Fi lamp on the printer will continue flashing. Wait a few moments. Once the connection is successful, the Wi-Fi lamp will stop flashing and stay solid blue. Now move to your laptop. Open your web browser and download the Canon G3010 full driver and software package from the official Canon website. After downloading the setup file, open it and begin the installation process. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. When asked for connection type, select Wireless LAN connection. The setup program will detect your Canon G3010 printer automatically. Complete the remaining installation steps. Thanks for watching.